To begin, in the large mixing bowl, add 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, followed by half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice, and 1 cup of brown sugar. Then whisk to combine. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Once the dry ingredients are evenly combined, set that aside. Now, in another mixing bowl, add 1 15-ounce can of pure pumpkin, followed by 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, 1 cup of honey, and half a cup of coconut oil. Then whisk to combine. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Now combine the wet and dry ingredients. Use a spatula and mix just until combined. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 177 degrees Celsius. Then, in a small mixing bowl, add 8 ounces of cream cheese. Oh, and one more thing. Make sure that the cream cheese is at room temperature, followed by half a tablespoon of pure vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of honey. Then mix to incorporate. Once the cream cheese mixture has been evenly incorporated, pop it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. This recipe makes 8 big-sized cupcakes and about 16 regular-sized cupcakes. If you're using large baking cups like the ones that I'm using today, place them on a baking sheet. Spray a little bit of cooking spray to each liner. Using an ice cream scoop, scoop out the batter into each liner, about 2 scoops. Then place about half a tablespoon of cream cheese frosting onto each one of them. Use a toothpick to sort of blend in the frosting with the batter. Now bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 18 to 20 minutes. And if everything goes according to plan, your pumpkin cream cheese stuffed muffins will look like this. Transfer them onto a wire rack and allow for them to cool off. And it looks like now you are ready to eat. Ooh. There you guys have it. Pumpkin cream cheese stuffed muffins. Enjoy. Buen provecho. Thanks for watching. See ya later. Bye.
Yeah.